Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to reset your Apple Watch in case you lose access to your phone. For example, you sold your phone and you forgot to unpair your Apple Watch. One more reason is let's say you forgot your Apple Watch passcode as well. You cannot go to setting to reset or erase, or you cannot erase from your phone because you sold your phone. So now let me show you how you can do it. First, you need to hold on the power button on your Apple Watch until you see the pop-up just like that, and now you need to hold on the digital ground button until you see connect to power source, and now you will see this pop up. So now you need to connect your Apple Watch into the charger in order to reset your Apple Watch without iPhone or without going into setting. So now let me connect it. Now after I connect my Apple Watch into the charger, you can see I am able to erase all content and setting, which means that I can erase everything from my Apple Watch and go back into default, and I can pair it with the new phone. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the simple tips. Then I will see you guys in the next one.